Here we are, calculating fuel consumption, something that you guys should get used to because you're going to have to pay for this stuff. All right, fuel consumption, you can see up here, we've got a formula for it. It's the amount of fuel in litres times 100 divided by the distance travelled. All right, let's have a look. Let's see if we can work this out in any sort of logical sense. So, a medium-sized car travelled 750 kilometres using 60 litres of petrol. What's the fuel consumption? All right, so what do we got? We've got amount of fuel times 100. So that's 60 litres times 100 divided by the distance travelled. How far did they travel? 750. And we'll just go kilometres, and I'll put the litres in there. So 60 times 100 times 100. I'm going to do it in bits so that it gets 6,000 over 750, which would give you 8 litres per kilometre. So let's have a bit of a look at that and work out what we're doing. If we go up, we've got a motor vehicle's fuel consumption rate is the number of litres fuel it uses to travel 100 kilometres. Okay, so now you should be looking at it going, okay, there's the 100. Awesome. Fuel consumption is calculated by filling the motor vehicle with fuel and recording the kilometres. Yeah, that's what we do. When it's filled with again, you work out how much you've used and distance travelled between the odometer readings. So we do the 60 litres times 100. Or what you could actually do is you could do 60 over 750 and then times it by 100. So if we do the same there, if we do 60 over 750, you're going to end up with 2 over 25 or 0.08, and then times that by 100, and that would give you 8. Okay? So what are we actually doing here? That is litres, that is kilometres. So we're actually working out 60 litres per 750 kilometres. So that's what we've done. We use 60 litres in 750 kilometres. So when we divide by the 750 on both sides, because that's what we're doing, we actually get the 0.08. So that is actually 0.08 litres per 1 kilometre. Okay, so that's what we've worked out there. But in general, when we're giving a fuel consumption, sorry, I should have written 100 kilometres. When we're doing fuel consumption, we want it by 100 kilometres. So the fuel consumption, we multiply both sides by 100, and that will give us 8 litres per 100 kilometres. If you were using 8 litres every 1 kilometre, that would be a problem. Get yourself a new vehicle, please. So that's how we do our rates. We do 8 litres per 100 kilometres, and that's not bad. That's actually quite a good rate. My ute is normally about 13 to 14, depending how much I've been carrying recently. So 8 litres is pretty good. I hope that makes sense. So you can do it in this one form. That's the easiest way to do it. I just showed you this way so that you knew where the 100 came from and why we were ending up the way we were. Okay, so you've got your litres divided by your kilometres, and you times that all by 100 so that you get your final answer out of 100 kilometres, so per 100 kilometres. All right, done.